Hi guys. So it is time for the giveaway. I was gonna do it live, but my computer was giving me issues or whatever. So I'm just gonna record it. I have 6 prizes to give away. It's nothing huge, guys. It's 3,000 subscribers. So I'm not making the big bucks. But just little gifts and yeah. So I am using the random comment picker. I'm taking it off of all the comments that was under the giveaway post. And I'm going to use that. And as we pick names, oops, I'm using my husband's phone, so he's getting a lot of notifications. And none of them are my channel. Whoop, whoop. Anyway. So we're going to pick random names taken from them comments. And as I call the name, I will show you the prize. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get into it. Okay. The first one, and they're not, I'm just picking them and assigning prizes. So here we go. The first one is random. Courtney Mills. Courtney Mills. And Courtney, the first prizes are little earrings that I made with skins and a bracelet also made with acrylic skins. So you win them, Courtney. All right. Let's go to the next one. Come on. Oh, you gotta hit the start button. It's the first time I've used this random name picker thing. Gloria Schwartz. Gloria Schwartz. Hang on one second. I gotta write your name down. It's very close to my maiden name. My maiden name is Schwartz. So it's S-W-A-R-T-Z. Okay, Gloria, you win a necklace. Can you see it? It's so cute. A necklace and a pop socket. It's purple and black. It's very shimmery. All right. Going on to the next one. Random name pickers. This is kind of cool. And we have winner Naptime Creations. Tish at Naptime. You win the third prize. Which is, it's a third prize, which is a keychain, a bookmark, and a bloom pop socket. Can you see it? So there you go, Tish. You get little prizes. All right. So let's go to winner number 4. Come on, winner number 4. Just keeps going and going and going. Okay, Christine Santel. Christine Santel. Hang on, I'm just writing your name down. And your winning is just like the previous one, just different colors. Which is a keychain, a bookmark, and a pop socket. Okay, Christina, or Christine. All right, this number 5, winner number 5 is winner number 5. All the comments are just going. Chantal Lombardo Greenberg. Chantal Lombardo Greenberg. And Chantal, you win a pop socket, black and white one, and a little resin tray, little trinket tray. And it is blue and white. So there you go. One more, and the last winner will be the winner of a $25 Amazon gift card. All right, here we go. Come on. I know why sometimes it takes longer. Wendy Wasserman. Wendy Wasserman. You are the winner of a $25 gift card from Amazon. Okay, guys, that was the 6 prizes giveaway. Hopefully I'll be able to do, better giveaways in the, once my channel starts growing. But I hope you guys are all happy with your prizes, and I will get them out in the mail shortly. But I do need you to email me your addresses. Wendy, all I'll need from you is just to email me your email address so that I can just send the Amazon card right to your email for like an electronic card or whatever. The others, I need your addresses. So if you could just email me at codyandjakesmom@gmail.com. So it's Cody, CODY, N as in Nancy, JAKES, mom, @gmail.com. So yeah, if you guys email me your addresses, then I'll get these out in the mail as soon as I get your address. Hang on. I'm just writing Cody and Jake's mom at gmail.com. So congratulations to the winners, and thank you all so much for subscribing to me and supporting my channel, and I really appreciate it. And I know the giveaway was a little bit late. I was supposed to do it last week, but this school thing is starting and I am already batshit crazy because of it. So things got put off. So I apologize for that. But again, winners, please email me at codyandjakesmom@gmail.com. And it's just an N in between the two boys' names. So I will also list it at the bottom of this email. This is not an email, this is a video. Anyway, told you I was crazy. I will put my email in the description of this video. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. My pen's not working.